The Missouri Supreme Court ruling against Republican state officials who attempted to prevent Planned Parenthood from receiving Medicaid reimbursements through MoHealthNet. The decision affirms a lower court's ruling, which determined the law violated the Constitution. The president and CEO of Planned Parenthood of the St. Louis region and the president and CEO of Planned Parenthood Great Plains releasing a joint statement to First Alert 4. It says in part, over and over again, the courts have rejected politicians' ongoing attempts to deprive patients of their health care by unconstitutionally kicking Planned Parenthood out of the Medicaid program. A new bill sponsored by State Senator Mary Elizabeth Coleman, a Republican out of Jefferson County, is already in the works in the Senate, which could block Medicaid funding for Planned Parenthood.